Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, March 10th, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 38 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we had a large gap down this morning on the open. We set up what would be a potential go with trade, and that's where we trade in the direction of the gap. We try to get short as early as possible in the day, and if we can't get short, then we look for an opportunity for a pullback. That's kind of the major theme of the day. But that being said, we still have some signal entries that happen throughout the day, so we'll just go through and watch these signals. The first one, we had this fast move up, gave an extension entry. There was no follow through to the upside. Basically just a T1 minus 2 on that particular trade, as we did not hit our T2 objective. And then the market again came back down, gave a signal short, ended up producing targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks on the quick move down. Again, another quick move to the upside. Another opportunity to be looking for a potential to go long. Unfortunately for this one, again, when you have these large moves down, we only look for small swings, and we were actually looking to take profits at the swing high target on the way up to the upside, but it only hit that profit target once and then came down, so there was no fill there. So ended up with another T1 minus 2, but to the downside, just the subsequent signal to the downside. Again, we look to get out at the swing low point because this is showing a basing movement, and that ended up giving us T1 and T2 for 9 ticks to the downside. And then we had this final push to the upside as we built this base, and we actually were seeing a potential higher low establish itself at the low, gave a signal to get long. Targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 13 ticks as the market pushed higher, and then came our opportunity for our long-term entry to go with the direction of the gap. We had a nice deep pullback. We actually got into the 40 EMA area at this right around noon. Now, we don't initially initiate trades during the lunchtime dead zone. As far as our signal entries, this is a little bit different because there was a position that people were waiting for up here, and there was an opportunity to trade that off. And then they actually were shaken out because you would use a stop right above your high, so you're actually shaken out. And then came the opportunity at the 115, which would be our normal opportunity as the market moved back up towards the opening price, and it actually hit, if you were looking at a chart, it actually hit that S2 level. It gave a real nice signal entry for an opportunity to get short based off of the go with trade. And what you want to do is you want to hold this towards the end of the day, towards like the 3:30 time frame. Now, we reacted off that level, set up an extension to the downside, and unfortunately for us, unless you took it coming off that S2 level, you were not able to get filled. The extension entry hit it by one candle, did not give the fill, so ended up giving you a no fill on that push down, which was unfortunate. But if you took like a Heikin-Ashi style entry up here off of that S2 level, which some of the traders in the room did, and they were able to pick up quite a few points. And as the market again based there, came up through its moving average, gave a signal long, produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks, and then ultimately pushed lower for the end of the day for to close out down here. So a lot of opportunities today. This week has been crazy volatility due to rollover of our contract. The volume was split today. Tomorrow we'll be looking to get on the June contract, but plenty of opportunities today. Taking the signal entries, there were 6 opportunities for 38 ES ticks. If you're able to pick up on some to go with, you were able to add a few more to your account on top of it. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.